Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again in our channel. This is Arnav from Tech Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check anyone last seen in WhatsApp even it is hidden or you are blocked. So let's go and check this out. Right, sometimes it may happen that somebody has blocked you or maybe they have hidden their last scene and you want to track their last scene. In that case, this trick is going to be very helpful. And so let's start this. So here you can see I have my two WhatsApp account and I'm just going to show you the trick. You can see Arnab Jio and this is Amit Airtel. So I'm going to send some messages to show you that both are these are my accounts. Okay, you can see I received hi bro. Okay, so these are two my accounts. Now what I'm gonna do, okay, so I'm gonna just hide my last scene from here. So let's go to the settings, account, privacy, and last scene I can see nobody. Okay, now I'm moving back. Okay, now most probably yes, it is updated here. You can see from my this phone I cannot see my last scene anymore. So now I'm gonna show you how I will track the last scene of my this account. Okay, so let's go to so here you can see this is the tracking app by which I'm gonna track the last scene. That was the interface, and here you can see all the logs when my this WhatsApp account was online and it was offline. So last I can see it was online at 10 p.m. 1 minute 52 seconds and it was online for 40 seconds. I'm going to show you the live demo. You can see I am in my WhatsApp account. I have opened it. Now to check the latest logs, you just need to refresh it, and here you will also receive a notification from this app like Arnab is online. You can see now I am online, and so you can see the timestamp 22/04/27. So you can see this is my WhatsApp account. This is and now I'm going back and I'm going back and removing this WhatsApp from my RAM. Then I'm going to refresh it and I can see the Arnab went offline. Exact time was 35 seconds. I was online. I can see when I got offline. Here is the timestamp. So the very simple trick, and you can do this with the simple steps. Now I'm going to show you the second way. So now I'm going to do even further. I'm going to that contact and now I'm going to block this contact. So more block. So you can see I am blocking the same contact. Now I have blocked it. Now you will see I am online, right? So let's go back, and now I have come here again. Now I am online, and if I just go back to the WhatsApp from here, and you can see my DP here can see even I am online from here, but I cannot see the online status in my WhatsApp because I have just blocked it. So how I can track this? The same way. So let's go to the so how I can see this? Again I am inside the same tracking app, and you can see if I just going back from the WhatsApp, I'm clearing out the WhatsApp from my RAM, then I refresh it, and so here you can see Arnab went offline, and if I now just refresh, here you'll see the time log. Exactly I was online for 129 seconds, right? Now again I am going back into my WhatsApp and it will be shown here again in the logs. Refresh and you can see Arnab is online. You got the notification, and here you can see the logs again. Okay, then you can see the time 10:08 p.m. Okay, so now going back, and I'm going to clear out from WhatsApp from my RAM, and now if I refresh, here you'll receive the Arnab went offline, and you will get the time logs also. So guys, like this you can track anyone's last scene very easily, even they have hidden their WhatsApp last scene, and even you are blocked by him or her, anybody. Okay, and let me show you the app. I'll give you the app link in my video description so you can check it out from there. Let's go to the Play Store, and the app name is WhatStar. So you can see the first app. So I have already installed the app. So after installing, it will ask for a couple of permissions. Let's give it to the app, and then let's open it. So here you'll see this is the interface of the app. But there is one thing about this app. It will give you 8-hour free trial time. So you can see the remaining time I have got just 7 hours. So this is the pretty much about this app. And if you just upgrade to the and if you upgrade to the premium version, you can track as many as number you wish, but for the free version you can track only one number and you got 8 hours section. So guys, thanks for watching this video guys. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell icon to never miss notifications from our channel. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching again. We'll see you in our next video very soon.